Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a tutorial on this double alternating chevron bracelet. I classified this bracelet as intermediate, but it's actually really simple. It's only 2 rows. That's why the video is like 5 minutes long. So here's the pattern for it. It's just a lot of strings, so it can get a little bit confusing. So if you are a beginner, you could probably do this bracelet. It's just gonna be a lot of strings. So yeah. The pattern will be linked down below, as well as all of these steps will be listed out. And I also have my FAQ in the description box as well. And yeah, let's just get on into the tutorial. So to make this bracelet, you are going to need some embroidery floss. You are going to pick out 4 colors, 3 colors to be your chevron colors, and then 1 color to be your border color. For each color, you're going to cut 2 strings at a wingspan's length, so you should have 8 strings in total, and go ahead and fold all of these strings in half. From here, you can go ahead and start this bracelet however you want. I have a bunch of more in-depth videos that are linked in the description box. Once your bracelet is started and taped down, this is how 1/2 of your bracelet should be set up. You're going to have your border colors on the outside and then your chevron colors in the middle, making sure that you are mirroring your pattern. So mine goes white, pink, green, purple, and then repeats purple, green, pink, white. And then go ahead and do this exact same thing on the other side of your bracelet. Just like so. So both sides of your bracelet should be identical, with the border colors on the outside and the chevron colors in the middle, making sure that your pattern is mirrored. This is a 1-2 pattern, so I'm going to go ahead and pair up my strings, making sure to keep them in the same color order. My first pair on the left is going to be a forward-backward knot. My second pair is going to be a backward knot. My third pair is going to be a forward knot. My fourth pair is going to be a backward forward knot. My fifth pair is going to be a forward backward knot. Sixth pair is a forward knot. Seventh pair is going to be a backward knot. And then my 8th and final pair is going to be a backward forward knot. For the second row, I'm going to take my outer 2 strings and leave them out, and then I'm going to repair all of my other strings without including the outer pairs. My first pair on the left is going to be a backward knot. And then my next 5 pairs are all going to be forward knots. And then my final pair on this row is going to be a backward knot. And that is the entire pattern. It is just those 2 rows repeated over and over again. So to continue this pattern, just go ahead and bring back in your outer 2 strings and then repair all your other strings, now including the outer strings, and then just repeat this again from row 1 and then just keep going until your bracelet is long enough. So that was the tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. I think this bracelet turned out really pretty. I'm going to be linking all of my social medias in the description box. You guys can go ahead and follow me on there. I know a lot of us are really bored right now because we all have to stay home and stuff. Speaking of which, I wanted to make a quick PSA just to tell people to please stay in your homes as much as possible right now. I know it's boring and it sucks, but honestly, it's for the best right now, and this situation right now that's going on everywhere is really serious. So yeah, so many government officials and stores, restaurants, managers, corporations are doing literally everything they can right now to, at least in my country at least, to prevent the spread of this virus. And I think that it is really backwards if we just ignore that and decide to just go out in public. And this is only going to work, and their efforts are only going to make a difference if we actually do what we're told and just stay inside. Okay? A lot of people think this is a vacation and, oh, I'm gonna go to the beach. No, please stay home. This is a serious health thing that's happening to people everywhere, and while you might be immune and while you might be young and it's not gonna affect me, whatever, like, you could spread it to someone and it actually will affect them. So again, please just do what you're told, and please just stay indoors and try not to come into contact with a bunch of people. Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.